All right. Thanks very much, Mubina, for that. Let's touch base with the management of Satin Creditcare. The board has approved an issuance of 2.5 crore special ventures for a price of 10 rupees per share. These are, of course, non-convertible, rated, redeemable cumulative preference shares to investors. Mr. H.P. Singh, who's the CMD of Satin Creditcare, joins us on the show. Mr. Singh, good to have you on the show. Just take us through the outlook in the MFI sector, especially in the northern belt where the company is present. How is the trend looking like?
So the trend is pretty positive moving forward ahead, and northern states have a very lower amount of penetration, and the last 3 years this has probably taken a jump moving forward ahead, and right now even taking a jump from 14% penetration in about 2014 to 2016. I think the penetration is now close to about 25% or so.
Okay. Also, if you can tell us about your overall growth as well as outlook trends and product mix changes, if any.
So the sector has grown across the last couple of years at about 60%. We as a company have grown about 80% computed annual growth for the last 3 years or so. We are predominantly looking at the joint liability group model, and we are majorly in the rural space as such. And for us, women are our main stream borrowers over there, and the loans which we give are for income generating capacities for earning livelihoods as such. So the product is majorly on the joint liability group. We have close to about 2.2 million women as our borrowers in these states, and we work in about 16 states over there. So this is where we are headed towards in the microfinance space as such.
Any plans for inorganic growth? What's your overall growth strategy to expand branches?
So for us, it takes a cue that we have to horizontally as well as vertically grow wherever we are present. So we are present in about 16 states. For us, it is getting more deeper penetrated into the states where we are working on, as well as to open up more branches across these states as such. 4 of the states out of the 16 have about 60% of our portfolio, which is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. So for us, branch expansion, taking a vertical dive deeper into unpenetrated areas as such, would be our next phase of our growth in the next couple of years as such.
What about your capital needs at this point of time? Do you have any capital raising plans?
We got listed to the National Stock Exchange last year in August, and for us the next capital raise can only be done about 1 year after we've been listed. So this will technically be done only in August 2016 onwards as such. We are looking at making a capital raise moving forward ahead. We definitely do have our plans to look forward and try and see that is to be done to fund our next phase of growth moving forward ahead.
All right, we wish you all the best with that, Mr. Singh. Thanks very much for taking out the time to speak with us today. Really appreciate your views.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, I just want to